Hey my cupcakes, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another ride along with me while I accept and decline orders from Uber Eats. I've been thinking, like, I see a lot of people that I watch do like they accept every order, but I am not going to be doing that to myself just because you already know how things have been lately. But today I am just going to be doing it for a little bit. It's currently 10 o'clock and I'm planning on delivering until about 1 o'clock. Lunchtime hours when the orders normally come in is from 11 to 2, so not bad. I'm going to start at 10 and then I'll be finishing at 1 o'clock and see how much orders I can get and if they're going to be good orders. And at the end of the video I just put on the screen how much I made today. So yeah, let's go ahead and just ride along with me and see what kind of orders we can get today. Alright guys, so it's been about 40 minutes since the last clip that you guys just watched. I only had 2 orders coming in my way on my way to where the restaurants are. The first one was a $4.77 order for McDonald's for a little over 3 miles. I did not accept that one. That was a really low payout for the amount of miles. You guys know I'm really picky about it. And I just had another one coming in. It was to Chick-fil-A. It was $5 for almost a little over 3 miles, and I try to do at least $3 per mile. That is just something I like to do. I didn't accept that one. I just figured just wait a little bit because it's about to be that lunchtime rush hour. Okay guys, I got a $2.98 order for almost 2 miles to Dunkin', so no, I'm not going to be taking that. That's coffee, that's drinks, and it's such a low payout, so no, I'm not taking it. So we'll see what kind of day today is going to be. Okay guys, I got a really good order. It was $8 for a little over 2 miles, so let's go ahead and do this delivery. It has all drinks, guys, like 3 drinks. And all this food. Oh my god. I hope it's a waiting car. Oh, no wonder it was a really good payout, you guys. That was a lot of food. It's a huge brown bag of food. And then the drinks. So hopefully I'm not going to spill anything. Megan Reisman, I feel you, girl. I feel you. Okay guys, so I just got a $10 order for IHOP, so I'm gonna go ahead and head over there. And then yeah, so this one is delivered, so let's go to our second pickup. Okay guys, so I just picked up that order at IHOP. It wasn't ready when I got there, so I just was waiting for a little bit. And then while I was waiting, I had a additional stack on order coming in for over $8 for a little over 2 miles. Of course, I took that one. So I think that's where we're going to be going next. Is going to be Cracker Barrel because that's where I'm picking up the second order. And then we're going to be delivering the IHOP order, which is huge, but thankfully no drinks. Hey guys, so a lot has happened since the last time you guys saw. I know I told you guys that I had a stacked order from when I was at IHOP, and then I got another order for ooh, I have a Taco Bell order coming in. Fuck, I forgot to screen record. But anyways, let me just tell you guys quickly, I ended up having to wait really long at Cracker Barrel, and they didn't have 2 of the main items that the customer had ordered. Keep in mind it was an $8 order. They didn't have it. The first time they told me that they didn't have chicken strips, I called the customer and she substituted it for a cheeseburger meal for her son, I think. And then I waited like maybe 5-10 more minutes, and then they came out and were like, okay, well, we're out of biscuits as well. I'm like, you saw what the customer ordered. Wouldn't you think you would let me know as the person that's picking up the order what they're out of, so when I contact the customer I can let them know one time? They didn't do that, so I ended up having to cancel that order because the other girl was waiting really long already for her order to be delivered, and I felt really bad. If I don't get the full $10 like what it said it was going to be, then I understand. But I ended up calling support, you guys, and they were able to help me. They are going to look into the whole restaurant thing because I told them I don't want other people to be ordering from them and then they're going to be out, and other drivers are going to be dealing with the same situation that I've dealt with today. So they were able to compensate me $4 out of that. So like I said, you guys, if you guys have any problems with like the restaurants or anything like that and you guys do Uber Eats, always report it because they can always help you. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this $8 order to talk about. Hi, I have an Uber Eats order for Nathan.
You can pull for it.
Thank you. There's 12 items, you guys. 12. I'm gonna see what this is like. 12? Wow, Nathan is hungry. 6 cheesy bean and rice burritos, 4 spicy potato soft tacos, and 2 black bean chalupa supremes. Is he vegan? Or not vegan, but maybe he's vegetarian because there's no meat. But yeah. Okay, guys, so I don't even remember how many orders I did today, but it's a little bit after 12 and I already said I was going to be out till 1. So today's been a pretty good day.
Sorry for the wait.
No, you're good. Thank you. Have a good day. Oh, this is heavy. Okay, got his food in the bag. So let's go ahead and start delivery. Okay guys, so it's a little bit later from the last clip you guys just saw. I thought I wasn't going to do any more deliveries, but we were just at the gym and whew, I got a $11 something order for a little over 2 miles. So you guys know I had to take it. I was already done with my workout anyways, so I'm going to take this order and then we'll continue this Uber Eats if there's going to be any more orders coming in. But I'm really happy I had the app running because that's extra $11. I never knew McDonald's did that. Clearly I don't eat out as much. That's a huge order, you guys. And there's drinks inside there. And they tied both bags together and it was so hard to get through the window. What? Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog right here. It's currently 1 o'clock and at the last delivery that you guys just saw me do, it was on my way like homebound. So I just decided to head over back home because it was about 1 o'clock and I didn't want to stay out too late today. I have some stuff I need to do. I am getting ready to be leaving to go back home for a little bit, for about a week. So I'm trying to prepare for that as well. But I only did 3 orders today. I was supposed to do 4 orders, but with the whole Cracker Barrel situation, I didn't do it. They were out of everything that the customer wanted. So support had given me $4. So far I made $19. It's just a matter of waiting for the tips from the other 2 customers, which I'm thinking the other person isn't going to tip me. The one that was supposed to be like $8 or $10. The $10 one didn't tip me, I think. But we'll see at the end of the day. I will go ahead and put it on the screen right here how much I made. But overall, I think today was a pretty good day. I had good offers coming in, despite some of the really low payouts, some that, you know, obviously come in every now and then. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you guys haven't yet already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you guys are one of my cupcakes, and you guys go ahead and join the Cupcake Ohana. Click on that bell so you guys are notified of when I upload here on my channel. I try to upload 2 to 3 times a week, so always come back to my channel and see if there's new content from me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!